Hi, welcome to the Confluence plus Mural Meet Less, Async More series. My name is Sam Mugalava and I'm a product manager on the Confluence Cloud team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build, measure, and learn from Spotify's Squad Health Check using two of my favorite tools, Mural and Confluence. This Squad Health Check will guide team members to rate and discuss the team's health based on a number of different perspectives, like quality, fun, and value. Create a graphical summary of the result, and use data to help the teams improve over time. Let's jump in and start building our workshop in Mural. We'll be using Mural elements from the left side toolbar, along with a few keyboard shortcuts. To start, we'll insert a square to make the heading. Change the background color to make it pop, and increase the font size so everyone can read the name of the activity. Now we're going to build a simple table. Add a connector from the left menu. Duplicate it using Command D or Control D until you have the number of rows that you need. In this case, we'll need 10 lines. Don't worry about getting the right distance between each row. We're going to adjust this later. Hold down and drag your cursor to select all. Click the Align option in the formatting menu and select Left Align and then Distribute vertically to make sure the lines are even. Create a link on one side and duplicate the lines with using Command D or Control D until you have the number of columns that you need, one for each member of your team. Hold down Shift to select all the vertical lines, and then select Align, and then Distribute horizontally. Ta-da! You have a table. Now let's add some instructions. Insert a sticky note and double-click inside to add text. In this case, we're going to need 45 minutes to run this workshop with the team. Select and insert a larger sticky. We're going to add instructions for this exercise so the team can reference it throughout the health check. Next, let's create a space for each member of the team. Add a text box, double-click inside. I like to use the Command A shortcut to select all the text, and then Command B to bold. To duplicate, press Command D or Control D again, and add the rest of your team members' names above each column. Now we're going to build out the voting system. Insert a circle from the left navigation, drag it under the first team member's name, and change the background color to green. I'm going to remove the border. Press Command D or Control D to duplicate again, and change the second dot's color to yellow. We'll do this one more time to add a red dot. Now select all the dots and align horizontally. Add two arrows from the left nav, one pointing up and one pointing down. These dots and arrows will be used by team members to rate how the team is doing across various categories. Now select all three dots and the arrows and duplicate for each team member. Now we're going to add the categories we're going to measure the team's health against. We'll insert a title, a green dot, and a red dot, and examples of what good and bad mean for this category. For example, the first category is easy to release. Green means releasing is simple, safe, painless, and mostly automated. Red means releasing is risky, painful, lots of manual work, and takes forever. Each team member will add a colored dot to rate how they are feeling about this category in their column. I'll go ahead and add the remaining 9 categories. You can find the full category list in the video description or on our website. Our squad health check is complete. Now you're ready to invite your team to join the board. After the team rates each category, the facilitator can ask the team to discuss each category. For example, see if the team notices any trends. Are any rows all red or green? Why do they think that is? Once your team completes the workshop, you'll have a graphical summary that can be documented and shared in Confluence to help the team improve. Start by exporting the Mural board and saving it as a PNG. In Confluence, navigate to your team space or wherever you organize team documents. Create a new page by clicking the contextual create wherever you'd like this page to live within the page tree. I like to add an info panel at the top of the page by typing /info panel and selecting the panel I want. I'll use this space to share the link to the Mural board and the date of the workshop. In this case, I'll also add a table to document who participated in the workshop by tagging each member of the team by typing @ and their name. Now let's create a divider to split up the text. Let's type /divider and select the divider macro from the menu. Now let's go ahead and insert the photo from the mural board that we saved earlier. Click on Inserting Files and select the PNG that you saved. We can add a section below with notes and key takeaways from the health check we ran with our team. You can also assign action items by typing /action items and selecting that macro. We'll again tag our teammates who are responsible for individual next steps by using the @ symbol and typing each person's name. When you're done, publish the page to share out with the team. This exercise is best done on a regular basis so you can keep track of your team's progress. I like to run it quarterly, but the cadence is up to you. Thanks for watching how to build, measure, and learn from Spotify's Squad Health Check using two of my favorite tools, Mural and Confluence. You can get both Mural and Confluence for free using the links below.